After having cleaned and chamfered the joint for a standard weld, cut the required length of cord. Place the cord in the speed weld nozzle. Place the speed weld nozzle on the welding gun. Place the cord in the joint. Press lightly on the cord with the nozzle. Set the gerflor welding gun thermostat to between 5 and 7 depending on welding speed. Hold the welding tool with the back of the nozzle parallel to the floor. Adjust your speed so that 2 beads are formed along the cord. There are 2 steps to the trimming operation. Firstly, pre-trim the cord, even if hot, using a quarter moon knife and trimming guide. This initial step helps the cord to cool quicker and provides a better final trim. When the cord has cooled, trim the cord level with the surface using a quarter moon knife. For welding quality control, there must be flooring burrs all along the cord. The trimmed cord must be approximately 4 mm wide. To weld the ends, chamfer the end of the flooring with a straight blade and a hooked blade. Obliquely cut the end of the cord. Set the gerflor welding gun thermostat to between 3 and 4, depending on welding speed. Start end welding, heating cord and flooring at the same time. Place the cord in the roller. Finish the weld by covering the previously trimmed cord. Trim once the cord has cooled. To repair welds, use a hooked blade to remove unwelded parts of the cord. Clean the joint using a grooving triangle. Fit the welding gun with the speed weld nozzle. Start the weld 3 cm before the repair and finish 3 cm after. Set the gerflor welding gun thermostat to approximately 4. Pre-trim and then trim. To weld a floor wall joint, hot or cold chamfer the flooring. Set the gerflor welding gun to between 4 and 5. Start from the top and move down the joint. Finish the weld against a rule to protect the flooring. Pre-trim and then trim. To trim the curve, use a flexible blade. Mistakes to avoid in welding. Do not weld too slow or too hot, as you may burn the flooring. Do not weld too fast or too cool, as the weld may not take properly. Do not position the nozzle wrongly. The back of the nozzle should be parallel to the floor. After trimming, if CR50 cord is close to 3 mm wide, this may denote a poor weld. Welding gun, speed weld nozzles, gerflor roller and handle, quarter moon knife and trimming guide, snap-off knife and blades, straight and hooked blade dolphin knife.